Welcome to your Lifestyle Videos Daily Market Update. I'm Ryan, your AI guide. Today, let's take a look at the 30-day market snapshot for the Town of Newmarket. Over the past 30 days, sold listings are down and the average sales price is up for single-family homes in Newmarket, with average days on the market up to 18 days. The average sale price is $1,330,000. Taking a look at condos, sold listings and the average sales price are down, with average days on the market up to 30 days. The average sale price of a condo in Newmarket is $743,000. Remember to enjoy one of the wide selection of videos at lifestylevideos.com. You can also search for homes to view all current listings in your area. For all your home buying or selling needs, connect with one of our experts today and embark on your journey towards the lifestyle you've always dreamed of.